Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Firstrust Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I'm using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a firstrust.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Firstrust Bank, you can see the option of sign in on top right side of the screen. You click on it. Here you can see login form page where you need to provide your login ID and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Firstrust Bank. As we are going to recover our password, we need to click on the link given, that is forgot password. To reset your password, you need to provide your login ID. Here, after you provide your login ID, you need to click on submit where you will be redirected to another page. There, you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of Firstrust Bank. Thank you.